Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. We are going to discuss one very good question from Time and Work today. Many students are having a doubt about this type of questions. How to solve this question within the stipulated time. In our regular course, we have discussed many questions based on this type of models. Now I will show you how to do this question within the stipulated time. Okay, first students, we have to read the question in a proper way. While reading only, we need to analyze the question. I have been telling the same thing right from the beginning. While reading only, you have to analyze it. What exactly they have given? A, B and C can do a work in 15, 20 and 30 days respectively. Simple information. They have given the timing there. After that, A and B left 3 days before completion of the work and C continued till the work was finished. In how many days the whole work was completed is the question. Here there is a twist. What's the meaning of that one? You have to understand it in this way, students. Actually, you need not write this one on the paper. Just to explain that one to you, I am writing here. As less as possible you have to write on the paper. Now you see, we have to understand this one in this way. Suppose the work started here and the work ended here. This is the timeline. Now A, B and C, all the three have started the work. But after some time, A and B have left the work here and C continued till the end. Here the time period they are saying that 3 days. That means 3 days before completion of the work, A and B left and C continued as it is. In this case, in how many days the whole work has been completed? How to go about it? Simply we have to do in this way. First, we need to find out the time period from here to here. Suppose it is X days. For example, I am telling you, I am not taking that one as X. Okay, these X days plus 3 days is going to be your answer. I'll explain you this question, students, in two ways. Okay, first is the basic approach and the second one is the direct shortcut. Writing very less on the paper. Within 20 seconds after reading the question, you can solve it. Let's go for both the methods. But let me start with the basic methodology because most of the students who are watching this video may not be our regular students. Alright, for your understanding also, let's start with the basic approach. After that, we'll go for a simple shortcut. Now, what's the basic approach here? First of all, we need to take the days, how they have given. A can do the work in how many days? 15 days. B can do in 20 days. C can do in 30 days. Alright. Now, first you try to find out one imaginary number which can be the total amount of work. To go for that one, the best way is to take the LCM of these three to avoid the fractions, right? So now I am taking in this way, LCM of these three is 60 only. 32 is a 60. Yes, 60 is the LCM. Now let us imagine that total amount of work is 60 units. Now A can complete 60 units of work in 15 days. That means A's individual capacity or work per day is 60 by 15, that is 4 units. Then B's 1 day's work is 3 units, 60 by 20, and C's 1 day's work is 2 units. Very clear. Now what I am going to do? I am going to find out the work from here to here. Based on that work, I am going to find out the time here. Number of days took by A, B and C to complete the work. Those days plus 3 days is going to be my answer in this basic approach. But how to find out the work here? To find out the work, we need to deduct 3-day work of C from the total amount of work. We need to deduct 3-day work of C from the total work here, total units of work. Now total units of work, you know that one, that is 60 units minus C's 3-day work. So C's 3-day work per day C's capacity 2 units. Now in 3 days 3 into 2 6 units. Alright. Now 60 minus 6 that is 54 units. What is this 54 units? 54 units of work has been completed from here to here by A, B and C. Now you need to find out how much time they have taken for that one. How much time they have taken for that one? The amount of work completed from here to here is 54 units divided by A, B and C's combined capacity per day. So that is this one 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, total 9 units. So 54 by 9. Is it clear for you students, right? So 54 by 9 means that is 6 times 9, 6 times. So 6 days. Yes or no? Now from here to here 6 days plus from here to here of course 3 days. So my answer is, I am writing here 6 plus 3, my answer is 9 days. Alright, this is the basic approach students. You can do it very easily. Even a beginner can understand this one, isn't it? In a nutshell I'll tell you. In a nutshell. First you take in this way. The work started here, ended here. 3 days before completion of the work, A and B left and C continued for this 3 days. Now I need to find out from here to here how many days it took to complete the whole work by A, B and C. Of course with some twist there. Alright, so clearly what I have done, I have found out the amount of work from here to here and that is 54. So from the whole work I have taken, like I have deducted from here. I have deducted C's work, I got 54 from here to here. Now A, B and C have finished that work in how many days? So simply that 54 divided by 9, 6 days. These 6 days plus these 3 days, my answer is 9 days. Is it clear for you? This is the basic approach. But students, the same question can be done within seconds. But why I have given you this method, I told you just now, the students who have not joined our institute also should be benefited. For that reason I have given this. Now, let us go for the fastest approach for this one. The shortcut to save time in the examination. Simple method. You need to imagine a little here. I'm just taking this one out. I'll write here simple shortcut. Have to go from this one. Now students, according to them, from here to here, A, B and C have worked. Listen very carefully. This shortcut, most of the cases you need not write anything on the paper. Okay, now from here to here A, B and C worked. Here A and B left the work. Only C continued from here for 3 days. Let us imagine in this way. A, B also not left here. This is only imagination. A and B also not left here and continued till the end. Continued till the end. What happens in that case? In that case, the amount of work will be more than 60 units. Yes or no? Because from here to here in this scenario, it was 60 units. But we are imagining that A and B have not stopped here. They have continued the work for another 3 days also till the completion. In that case, A and B will be working for 3 additional days. Actually, it is not happened. We are imagining that one. In that case, what is the total amount of work? 60 units plus A and B's 3-day work. 3-day work. How much is that one? A and B together the capacity per day is 7 units. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 into 3. That is 21. So, plus 21 units would have been done had A and B worked for these 3 days also. Actually not happened. In that case, the total amount of work will become 60 plus 21, 81. Alright. this 81 units of work would have been completed by A, B and C together, because we are taking some deviation there. Alright, so in how many days the total work would have been completed means that is 81 by A plus B plus C's capacity 9 units, 9 nines 81. My answer is 9 days. How simple this one. Yes or no? We follow this type of methods. We follow this type of methods in our regular course. Now you tell me students, how much time would it be taking to complete this question? Not more than 30 seconds. Yes or no? Simply have to take the LCM. LCM is 60. A and B stopped 3 days before completion of the work, but I am thinking that what if they have worked for those 3 days also? Some additional work would have been done. How much work would have been done? That is 21 units. Now the total amount of work is 81 units. 60 plus 21. Now 60 plus 21, 81 would have been completed by A, B and C, because I am taking the imagination here. 81 divided by 9 is the capacity of all three together. So simply my answer is 9 days. Thank you very much students for being with me in this session, and I request you to share this one, to share the video with all your circles on social media, so that the students who are again really in need of this type of questions will be benefited. Thank you once again, and I am going to post this type of videos very regularly on YouTube. Thank you very much students.